Unlock the secrets to online income with Net Cash Secret. Today, we're diving into how you can use ChatGPT to make money. ChatGPT can transform your writing skills into a lucrative freelance career, crafting compelling articles and blog posts for clients worldwide. Leverage its power for content creation, generating engaging social media updates, video scripts, and even entire blog series with remarkable speed. Beyond writing, ChatGPT excels at copywriting for businesses, helping them craft persuasive marketing materials that convert leads into loyal customers. You can also create valuable educational content, from detailed course outlines to interactive study guides, making complex topics easy to understand. Furthermore, for those with a technical bent, ChatGPT offers coding assistance, helping debug, generate code snippets, and explain complex programming concepts. Ready to start your journey? If you found this valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more secrets to boosting your net cash. See you in the next one.